Some of those songs I play in my band.
Do you really?
Yeah, they're just 17. Somebody else.
Well, look, there's the patch from the other side.
Girl power.
This is girl power here. Let's see if we chip the paint. This little area here is towards the front of the house in the closet. It's one of the areas where I was so unsure what to do and was the reason I called my parents to come help. And I did learn that when doing drywall, I tend to try to make things as small as possible, thinking that I can go in, do it really small, it'll be quick, easy repair, and then we're done. My dad takes a different approach. He does these big square patches because I think he can go in and do it really fast by putting in a big square patch of drywall. It does mean you put in more drywall, and so there's more to mud up and then paint, but overall it makes the cracks look a little bit better, or the areas around the cracks. So this is one that I will be watching. You can tell it has probably had water damage here before.
The water goes away from the house. It could puddle somewhere else, but not near the house.
Is that what water damage? That kind of looks like fire damage, but it's not black.
Well, is it moldy is the problem?
Another thing we did was take off all of the trimming around the drywall by peeling it off. Interestingly, we found that in the master bedroom, it's a 1950s trimming, and the rest has been updated since. My friends then came over on Labor Day for a painting party. We ordered some pizza, had some seltzers. It was a lot of fun, actually. I was running around trying to figure out how to give everybody brushes and paint and everything that they needed, and I almost couldn't keep up with them. They were painting so fast. I ended up not using the paint that I got at the recycle center just because it was a flat tone and not a semi-gloss or satin is what I ended up going with on my walls. And I wanted something that was going to repel dust a little bit more, because I get a bit annoyed when you put your hand on a wall and you leave a little grease fingerprint. So I ended up going with a white color just because I wanted something neutral. While we were painting the house, my dad sanded and painted all of the trimming that we thought we could reuse. We had to replace the one in the master bedroom because it was just so old and it had so many layers of paint on it. It was embedded into the walls. But all the other stuff we were able to reuse, and it made it super easy to put back on later.
Guess it doesn't matter that it's only one bulb. We're so exhausted by this point that we go for some ice cream and out for dinner on the east side at this new little place.